Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Perplexity AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Perplexity AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, right off the back, I want to let you know you can use Perplexity AI without creating an account, but by creating an account, it's going to give you access to viewing your search history from other devices. But why would you want to create a Perplexity AI account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, searching for business ideas, or doing research about various topics, Perplexity AI is a popular way to quickly scour the internet and receive feedback in a formatted response. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in perplexity.ai. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up the website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create an account, go ahead and click on the sign up button here on the bottom left. Okay, once you do that, you can sign in with your Google, Apple, or you can use your email address, which is what I'm going to do. So let me go ahead and enter my email address. Okay, I'm going to click on continue with email. Okay, next Perplexity sent me an email to confirm. So let me go ahead and jump on over to that email and click on the confirmation link. Okay, for some reason, it didn't send the link, so I had to redo it. And then a quick second later, I received the link. So if you don't receive it the first time you enter your email, just go back and enter your email again. So next it brings me here. It's going to tell you a little bit about what Perplexity is. They let you know that they are crawling the internet constantly, and then you're going to get citations in every response. So let me click on continue. Okay, with Perplexity, they have two plans. They have a free plan, which is right here. So you get unlimited quick searches, but you can also get 3 pro searches per day. Also, you get these extra benefits if you sign up with the professional plan, which is $20 per month, depending on the promotion that they're running. So you can go ahead and choose the LLM model that you're going to use. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and continue with the free plan for now. Okay, here they're letting you know they have an app, so you can go ahead and download that for your device. Okay, so here you can go ahead and run a test question to see how Perplexity works. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to the home screen. So now we can go ahead and start searching with Perplexity, and I've created my account, so you can see my username down here on the bottom left. So there you have it, guys. We have our account. Now, if you want to check on the Pro plan, you can always click right here on the bottom and click on Pro. And now you can see what the current pricing is if you decide to upgrade to the Professional. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Perplexity AI account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.